So I was just flying the drone, got a motor error while it was up above me, and it's come down covered in ice. I've checked the temperature, it's like -2. But yeah, no, it is a bit nippy like. So if you saw my last video about the Fuji X100s, you'll know that I've owned it for almost a year now, and there's one thing in that time that I've really wanted to shoot but haven't had any chance to, and that is this stuff. Snow. What a terrible day to not own gloves.
Can we sit and talk this through for once before you cut off the show? 'Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, I'm
gonna head on to the next spot. There's a few areas around here that I think might look dope for photos, so let's take a look around and see what we can find. Yes, please. So if you're familiar with the channel, you might recognise this hill behind me. This is where I came that winter, where I drove my car up there, tried to turn around, and I just started spinning and rolling down the hill. So I'm not going up that hill. Lessons learned. Long live the 1 litre shitbox Chevrolet Spark. What a car, what a car. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna reverse up a little bit further and I'm gonna recreate a photo that I really liked that I took with that car. I remember when I took that photo, I was like, how cool would it be to come back and take this photo with a car that isn't a 1 litre shitbox Chevrolet Spark. So I'm gonna reverse the van up just a little tiny bit and see if we can get a little saucy banger with the trees and this insane view. Superb is what that is. Man, these boots are easily top 3 photography purchases I've ever made. It could be number 1. Could be number 1. I reckon it's time for a brew, man. So now that the snowy season is here, I've got like a bunch of trips like this planned where it's just a peppermint brew, a banger view. We're talking trips with the Fuji gear, the 35mm film cameras, the Sony gear. It's all coming out. It's all coming out. But I've got a feeling, man, combination of this van and this winter, gonna be a good one. So if you're interested in any of that, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, and stick around to see how long it takes for me to have to call the AA when I inevitably break down.
Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you cut off the show? 'Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never